Money moves as the world moves. In an increasingly interconnected world, financial markets are ever-changing. That's why the ones to know first to read the trends, and first to call have a profitable edge over other traders. Welcome to the world of pro trading. Pro trading is easy with ProTerminal, a state-of-the-art trading and analytics platform powered by HDFC Securities. It is built using scalable cutting-edge technology and advanced charts to deliver actionable intelligence in real time. The watch list is customizable as per your need, helping you read the pulse of the market in a snap so you know which way the tide is turning, giving you a macro view of all the relevant events so you are first to anticipate, and micro view to separate the signal from the noise. We provide the right set of tools to make the best trading decisions instantly and smartly. ProTerminal offers the all-new Radar feature. The Radar is visual representation of screener events that helps understand occurrence and pattern of events when a stock price moves up or down. It helps identify bullish and bearish trends. It also provides quick visual updates like volume, 52-week high and low in combination with other editable indicators and on ongoing momentum. Radar, with the help of charts and technical indicators and oscillators, provide price action information and helps traders take a position in security. For better, faster, smarter trading, level up to pro trading with ProTerminal. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.